welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is May 1st, 2026, Friday, 9:21 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 11:21 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Nasdaq higher at 1%. Dow Jones is 0.1% higher. S&P is 0.5%. Um, Hold on a second. Hearing my own voice right now. Wonder why. Sorry about that. Let me see. I was using the wrong headset. Hopefully this solved that problem. Okay, hold on a second. Yes, okay. There you go. We're good. Oh, right. We'll keep continuing. And then as far as the market goes, the growth stocks, lots of earnings this week, right? So stocks are moving all over the place. Most of them are generally doing good, I think. So a lot of names are on, you know, doing well. We continue to see band moving. Let's see. Okay, here's QQQ. So before I move away from, you can see it making new high right now. Very powerful move. Didn't touch the green line here, right? This is, I don't know, as strong as a rally can get, I think. Like the green line is at like 30, 40 degree angle, almost 40-degree angle. So let's go to band here. A band here, it's a very powerful move. I mean, this is 2 days of, you know, run up right now, right? So very strong move. Let me just quickly go to SPY here for a second. Finish looking at the index. Here, SPY also making new highs right now. Again, very similar chart to Nasdaq. It didn't really touch the green line at all and bounce off it. Also, right, Dow bounced, but this has reversed so far this morning, so slightly weaker. It doesn't seem to want to move out of this recent pullback high here. So that's not a good thing. And then we have Russell also falling back somewhat um, in terms of the range. It's still at 68%, so it's still at the top range. But it's again, it's just we'll see where it closes. If it closes at the top, that would be good, and if it down bounce back, that would be good. Or obviously the other way would be they all close, move back down, and pushing back the market down a little bit. So that's also possible. But we are seeing many stocks on the move. Again, this volume thing hasn't been working very well, so I can't tell if this volume is even correct. But we do have 20 stocks at this moment. Um, so let me just refresh again. Like even the list is somewhat different. We do have Roku reported that did really. Oops, screw up there. Hold on a second. Go look at Roku for a second. So it came out earnings, but it has moved back quite a bit actually. It gave back half the gains. So we'll see if we can hold on to those gains or whether they come back down. I'm just trying to move this over. It's hard to read. Oops, a bit too much. There's a little bit of lag here. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, Roku. What else? PDSG. This one also report earnings. Look at that powerful move here. Pretty extended at this moment. I wouldn't chase it if I don't have any like NWPX, AMKR, MVT. I think MVT reported, but it's not updated here on market search yet. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you see it's still showing, but it's a little bit again very big gap up, extended. Like the way I see how extended is usually just like how you say like if there's a the line here at the upper channel line, it went way above it, so it usually do come back a little bit. So MXL, I mean this stock is probably the number one stock in the market right now. So like I'm watching this day in day out, right? Like because this is just a strong leader. We have this initial big move, then we gap up our earnings, we pull back, we have another big move just a few days ago, and we continue to climb higher, you know. So it does come back to the 10-day every time though. So the 10 day is a green line. So if you're looking for new entry point, it's most likely going to come back to 10 day at some point. STX again, this today we have SanDisk, WDC both reported, but this STX didn't get affected at all. Um, so we look at WDC, this one, okay, it has bounced back from this morning job. That's pretty good. And that's, SNDK, same thing. It pulled back on earnings, but it has bounced back. Um, s- Very similar chart actually, but it's just trading in the middle range now. So we'll see. It's a outside day range right now. Um, yeah. INTC, this one is very strong. Oops. Intel is doing really well. Um, Very strong move. Just pretty much straight up. We have MU, VIAV. In the industrial, we have MTZ, building ATTN, SIMO. SIMO is another strong stock. It had a huge move on the earnings here and continued to climb. MTRN, Amazon, Google. Google is doing well. LITE, CLS, H. So the whole Lumentum, the fiber optic guys still doing really well here. And yeah, making new high right now, right? CLS, the electrical component, this is getting closer to new high, not quite yet. And then VIAV also in the fiber optic area, also bouncing pretty nice here. Yeah. So again, definitely still lots of stocks moving. Although many of these stocks are extended, so very hard to get in for new entry points. But yeah, so the goal is to see if the market can continue to broaden. It has kind of not broadened recently. We'll talk more about this in the weekend market. This whole week it has kind of, you know, narrow, but then yesterday was a nice day for RSP here, equal weight S&P, really big bounce, right? See that? So this is, for the market to broaden the rally, this has to continue to go. But obviously, you can see it hasn't moved as much as the weighted index. So thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.